Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. It's been over a month since I shot a video, but we have tomatoes, we have a lot of things. We have kale seeds by the thousands. Got to get them out of there. And so today that is a butterfly bush. Look here. I did not bury these potatoes. I set them on the ground. I covered them with several layers. So there you go. It works. We got approximately, I don't know, 6 more freezes. I don't think that's any good. Split. Feel one. Nope. So anyway, it works. They will not dig a hole and then have to dig up ever again and lose potatoes to a pick or a shovel ever again. So you can see here we have various layers of straw. We got wood chips, wood shavings, and whatever else. Isn't that beautiful? So this whole section here, all the potato plants died off, and I'm gonna get busy. So maybe I'll just do what I need this week. But yeah, so I have been working mega hours. There you go, like 3 minutes, and look at all those potatoes. They got all this section to do. Lots of time at work. Mega time at work. So I haven't been out here doing anything, but we do have peppers. I don't even know what these are. I'm gonna take a bite. Maybe I shouldn't do this on camera. So this is the no-till garden, full of wood chips. I didn't have to pick any weeds. I didn't have to pick any, well, I should have over here a little bit. But this one, and this is the worst. I did the same technique on all of them. Look, virtually no weeds at all. So that's pretty amazing. Uh-oh, look at those. They're gonna be smoking hot. Turn you upside down. So yeah, I got a lot of things I gotta get into. Today's Saturday. I'll be working Sunday also. I've been doing this lately. I got a little burnt, so I took a day or 2 days off, and then the Sunday was canceled, so I got caught up on sleep and such. I'm not gonna taste those on camera. Might burn my mouth. So I'm around second year, failed corn. So yeah, these aren't even, only ones to my shoulder, but because all the grasses and weeds took all the nutrients. So I got plenty going on. These black tomatoes, let me see what they're absolutely delicious. Indigo rose. So you gotta wait till it turns black on the top and red on the bottom. If it's not red on the bottom and it's green, it's gonna taste, well, you'll definitely know it is not ripe. It was supposed to storm. It went over us. We missed it. It sprinkled for like a half hour and it's sunny again. But we were needing the rain. I haven't watered in about 2 months, but crops are still coming in. I didn't do anything out here for a whole month. You can see they're falling down I can't keep up with it. Ooh, look, those are cool. I got chilies over here too. Gotta show you. I like all the little colors. Where they go. Yeah, the reds, the purples. I'll be getting them out soon. I was supposed to build a dehydrator by now, but working 2-3 days straight through at a time is getting to me, but it's helping. So I can buy more products and build more projects. So one step at a time. It's been, yeah, probably 5 weeks. Sorry, man. But I am busy with other such things. So just to let you all know, Southern Ohio Solar Homestead sent me a message the other day. The neighbors are chatting. So he asked, is everything okay over there? You haven't sent a video lately. I haven't done the pool. Oh, you don't need to see that. So I did order some lithium batteries, and then I started thinking I might resell them back off on eBay. They're just the little green ones. If I buy 4 more L16E batteries to go with the other 4 that I have, I can collect twice as much power. That'll be the last of the lead acids for me. See, I've done nothing out here. I've mowed a couple times. Needs it again. But I'm busy. Tomorrow is Sunday. I will be at work. I'm going to work all the way through. I get 10-hour days this next week. And I volunteer for most of it. So, will be a time that I'll be thankful when the packages arrive. I got some clippings, some cuttings from eBay for a plum tree, a peach tree, all kinds of different plants, trees, dwarf. We got 2 dwarf plants for lemon trees in the mail the other day. So, still working it. Just not as good as I had been in the past. So, short and sweet. We'll let it end right there. You have a nice, beautiful solar panel day.